Hey guys, welcome back, or more likely to, my channel. Today we are going to be making a, I don't know how to pronounce it, coffee drink that's been going around YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, Facebook, whatever. It's that foamy coffee thing. I wanted to try and see if I could make it myself. You know, you can't really get to the store that much nowadays. I was rummaging through my cabinet to see if I had any instant coffee. Rummaging through my cabinets, as one does when one is hoping to find something that may or may not exist, which I also did this morning with my contact lenses, which I have no more, so I hope these pair last me for a month. I found this. It is the Starbucks Via Instant Sweetened Iced Coffee. The expiration date on this is definitely, oh, it's in June. Okay, that's excellent because I bought these last year for a convention. So yay. I got this, and basically the ratio is just 2, 2, and 2. So 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of hot water, which I have my machine here I'm gonna make the hot water with. And then this is my cup to put it in, and then you just mix it all together in a bowl. I'm told a glass bowl is better, and also you can use a whisk by hand, which seems to take literally forever, so I'm definitely not doing that. I have this machine here with a whisk at the end, so I thought I would try that and whisk it in here. Said that really fast. Okay, so let's just try and see if we can get this figured out, see if we can make it, and see how it goes. Okay, so first we're going to start with an empty bowl, and we are going to measure out our ingredients. We are going to need the Starbucks instant coffee. We also have our sugar. They're going to need hot water and milk. I'm going to turn the Keurig on over here. Okay, so it says you need an even ratio. So we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of the instant coffee, which it's pretty close to the packet. We don't need exact science here. And then 2 tablespoons of hot water. And then I guess I'll start first. And then you're supposed to whisk it. And I am going to use a machine because I'm not going to sit here for 20 minutes with my hands. Next, you will take your cup and pour in your milk. Okay, so that is how you make this coffee. It definitely is a time-consuming process, which is really cool, and I do think that it is really pretty and different, and I've never had anything like it before, so I do think it's really neat. I think it is kind of cool, and it is a cool idea. I wonder if there's other things you could do with it, like maybe if I had lined the sides with like caramel syrup or something, or like chocolate syrup, that would have been really cool. I don't know the best way to drink this. I feel like this would be a mistake because it's all foam at the top. Yeah, that's just coffee. It's actually not bad, and I do think the sweetened Starbucks drink actually made it taste better because It's already sweetened, and then you have the sugar too, so it's actually not bad. But let me find, maybe if I mix it a little bit, I think if I mix it and then drink it, or if I get a straw. I feel like a straw would be better. Okay, so I put in like a bubble tea straw. Look how thick that is. Oh my gosh, that is, it looks like chocolate, like, it looks like a Frosty. It looks like a Frosty, but it's not a Frosty. I wouldn't eat it like that. So I'm just gonna mix a little bit in. And it's so thick it creates like a hole in the top. Oops. It's good. It's actually really tasty. Like, I've had the instant coffee before, but this tastes so much better. I don't know why. Maybe it's like the massive amount of milk I put in, or maybe because it is foamy, it's got like a lighter texture or something. But this is really good. I definitely highly recommend this if you haven't tried it. It does take a really, really long time, but it's really good. So if you guys do like videos that are coffee, tea related, I seem to make those, as well as other weird random videos that have nothing to do with anything. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, check out all my other social media links down below, and hope to see you guys next time. Bye!